Yo guys, what's up? It's Nick, and in this video, I'm going to be cleaning these Jordan 6 Gatorades. And without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first step in cleaning these is taking out the laces.
Round Philly with like 30 in my strap. In the future with the same niggas front of me.
Alright guys, so first, after we take out the laces, we're just going to get a shoe tray. Put it right into the shoe. Actually, make sure you take out the insole. I always forget about that. But take out the insole and put it in a shoe tray to help keep the shoe in place so we're not always putting our hand inside of the shoe. And I'm gonna be using this. It's for New Look. Apparently my mom got this for me for like $2 off of Amazon. So I'm gonna use it. And I'm just gonna spray some on the shoe.
The only thing that I love. You see the lean in my cup. Little niggas stay turning up. Start with $1, then end with a dub. Got it from Jigga Finesse in the bud. I swear that I've been trapping all night, so I got no time for you. I swear that we gon' be alright as long as I grind.
And after it gets nice and foamy, because it's a foam spray, I'm just gonna get my brush and just go over it like so, just to get any dirt out.
Mama told me that I was gonna grow up and become a star. I would never think this music shit would be the one that got a nigga for. Round Philly with like 30 in my strap. In the future with the same niggas from the past. I don't want that girl, but that girl she want me back. Yeah, I don't want that girl, but that girl she want me back. Round Philly with like 30 in my strap. In the future with the same niggas from the past. I don't want that girl, but that girl she want me back. Yeah, I don't want that girl, but that girl she want me back. Whoa, damn. Niggas never shook my hand. Oh, now you my mans, I don't understand. See me making money, turn it to a fan. Worries you and me and bro was in a jam. I don't got no wallet, just a rubber band.
Alright guys, so after we're done, I just want to get a microfiber towel and just go over all the foam, because you don't want that on there for too long.
Fuck on your bitch and then fuck on her friend. I keep on making these bangers. All that I need is a paper and pen. I keep on chasing the money, chasing the whole minute don't make no sense. Get off your ass and go chase you a dream. If you don't go chase it, then what do it mean? If you around me, I'ma keep it a bean. I'm tired of making this bread off the fiends. Get off your ass and go chase you a dream. If you don't go chase it, then what do it mean? If you around me, I'ma keep it a bean. I'm tired of making this bread off the fiends. Round Philly with like 30 in my strap. In the future with the same niggas from the past.
And what you want to do is, because like as you guys can see, the whole shoe looks much better than it did at first. A quick side-by-side comparison. But there are some areas where there's still dark spots, so I'm just gonna go over those areas once again and just really get in there. And then after I'm done, I'm gonna wipe the shoe down one last time, and I'm gonna let it dry.
I can't hear you holding me back. I cannot love you, but I can fuck you. Don't mean that I don't think nothing of you. Just mean I'm chasing a bag. I can't have you holding me back. Round Philly with like 30.
Alright guys, it's been about 4 hours and the shoes are completely dry because the foam stuff, like there was no water. And this is the first shoe. You guys can see all the scuffs and how like dirty and nasty it is everywhere. And this is the other shoe. You can see that the colors kind of like pop out a little bit more. And like it actually feels a lot smoother everywhere. There's no really scuff marks, and it's moving. The nubuck's moving like it should, so it's nice and hydrated right now. And you guys can just see that it looks a lot better. I'm gonna do some touch-ups, like right there. There's a few scuffs around the wet part of the shoe, and I'll show you guys that. But then after the touch-ups, I'll be done. And hope you enjoyed the video.
Round Philly with like 30 in my strap. In the future with the same niggas from the past. I don't want that girl, but that girl she want me back. I don't want that girl, but that girl she want me back. Round Philly with like 30 in my strap. In the future.